This video will introduce specific accessories that schools buy to use with their ICOM radios. PRYME strives to manufacture and supply quality accessories at affordable prices. This means different things to different people, so let me provide details. All PRYME accessories in this video feature a shielded mic line, which helps to maintain better audio quality by preventing RF interference. They all have molded strain reliefs and high-quality noise reduction electric condenser mic elements. They all can be adjusted for left or right ear use. They all feature a stainless steel swivel clip. Are you looking for an accessory to use for many years? Then consider one of our SPM options. These lapel microphones come with a 3-year warranty and reinforced coiled cable. Take note that our C-Ring earpiece is only available in the SPM series, and the arms adjust to fit most ears. PRYME LMC options are sold at a lower price point than the SPM accessories. They come with a 1-year warranty and do not have a coiled cable, but are reinforced. Our G-Hook is one of our top-selling accessories and can be easily shared after it has been wiped down with an alcohol wipe. To order a compatible accessory, you will need to know the PRYME connector your radio works with. If you do not see the connector that matches your radio, call us for assistance. PRYME part numbers are made up of an accessory series code and a connector code. You will need to know both to order the correct accessory. Contact us directly for pricing and questions about PRYME Radio products.